Just take your time. Take your time, don't jerk it too hard. Don't pull hard, Connor, don't pull hard, you'll snap the line. Take your time, that's a big fish, take your time.
This is the biggest one for the
Just
day.
take your time, don't jerk it so hard, keep it away from the motor, keep it away from the motor. Take your time, Connor, don't pull so hard. Go around the motor, that's right, go around, that's right.
Humongous! Come out!
Oh shit, I've got the sun in my eyes here.
Look at him, look at him!
Wow, I got it! Wait, loosen that drag a little.
Oh, my hand's sore!
Just hold it, just hold it, just hold it. That's a bust-sized fish, Connor, that's over 2 kilos it.
That's big! No one is fighting so
Just
hard!
relax, take your time.
Now that's a bass! That's what you call big size!
Okay, should we grab him?
That's the biggest one for the day! That's the one you hooked!
There, that one!
That's the one you hooked! Yo, he's big!
Hey, wow. Go to the back of the boat. Don't fall in and come put him in the water. I want to watch him. Put him in that side though. Okay, let him go. There he goes.
Oh, that's humongous! And that's what you call a fish!
Say, give it 5, dude. Well done.
Let's get another one!